Hi, hello, welcome everybody. Today this video is gonna be different but one of interesting and a special video because in this video I am going to react on a video which is guess the word by emojis. Yes, in the video there will be many emojis which I have to mix with and I have to guess the name, and with me you are also gonna guess it. And the video which on I will react, this video is from this channel. As you can see, this channel is also one of a quiz puzzle channel, so after watching this video you can visit to their channel. Their channel link is in my description. So first of all, watch this video and try to guess with me all of the words too. I love to solve puzzles. So let's start.
Let's kick things off with an easy one.
Okay.
Can you guess the word by the emojis?
I will try my best. So in this guess there is star and it is a fish. Oh, it's guessable, it's starfish. It was very easy.
Strong start. Starfish.
I saved.
Little ocean star.
Okay, now let's see what's gonna be the next
Can
one.
you figure out this word?
In this puzzle there is a basket and it is a ball. It's a ball which is used in the party, but I guess it is basketball.
Basketball. You get 1 point.
Yes, it was basketball, but they give the ball which is disco ball.
Do you know this word?
It's a little bit tricky one, but I guessed it. There is the hot emoji, and with the hot there is dog. So what means? It means the hot dog.
Yes, hot dog.
Now they are very easy because
What
I'm
word is
very
this?
tooth. It's teeth. It's teeth paint. Oh, it's toothbrush. Yes, I think that it is toothbrush.
Brilliant. It's toothbrush.
It was teeth and it was like brush. I said teeth brush, and then
Here's
suddenly I
another
think,
one for you.
oh, it's very normal and very easy. It's Batman. A small child also can guess it. What? I need a little bit harder.
It's Batman.
I think that after a few times they are gonna be
Can
harder.
you identify this word?
What's this? This is corn and freeze. Corn, the fruit and freeze emoji. I didn't.
Outstanding.
Okay,
It's cornflakes.
Cornflakes. Yes, I know they are one kind of a meal that people
What word
have.
could this be?
Okay, now this is one is also tricky and a little bit harder. It's a cake and it's a potty or a pop. So what's gonna be it? A cake pop?
Cake pop. Bite-sized joy on a stick.
I guessed it, but I don't know what is cake pop
What
really.
do you think?
Okay, it's a J for jug and a Japan. Is it Japan? Japan?
Japan.
Okay, now it's Japan. I didn't think that there will be any name of country also. I think everything will be object names. But now the next one is a ghost emoji, and with the ghost emoji there is also a house, which means ghost house. Okay, ghost house. I think it will be ghost house.
Booyah.
Okay.
It's haunted house.
I did
Only
mistake.
the
It will be
brave are
haunted
allowed.
house, not ghost house. So haunted house.
What
Okay.
would you choose? Stay one night in this spooky haunted house, or simply like this video?
Obviously, I am gonna like this video. You can like the video too. So now let's see the.
Which word do these emojis stand for?
So now it's also very easy. It's jelly, and on the other hand, it's a red fish means jellyfish. My brain is so high. I am very brilliant person. It's jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
Yes. Jellyfish is also one kind of a fish which we can see in the oceans, deep in the ocean.
This one should be easy for you.
This one is easy. Let's see. It is that sun, and with that sun it is ice cream. Oh, sunscreen. I think it's sunscreen.
This is
Yes,
sun cream.
it is sunscreen. It was a little bit tricky, like sun and then ice cream, and then I thought ice cream. Then our next one is a fire tree, and with a fire tree it's apple. There is also another name which is pine. Okay, pine of the fire tree, so it's pineapple. Yes, it's
Spiky on
pineapple.
the outside,
It took a little
sweet
bit
on the
time
inside.
because I know
It's a
only the
pineapple.
fire tree, but not the pineapple.
Which word do you think?
What? A banana with a heartbreaking emoji? Heartbreaking emoji? What's gonna be a heartbreaking emoji? Banana heartbreak.
Banana split. Awesome.
Banana split. Really, I'm gonna share that I don't know what is it.
I bet you know this one.
Yeah, a boy opening mouth and a frozen emoji. Uh, ice cream. Okay, the boy is just screaming. For that reason,
Scoop it
it's
up.
ice, and
Everyone's
on the
yelling
other hand,
for
it is
ice
cream.
cream.
Bro, it was tricky, and I just
2
used my brain.
emojis,
Oh,
1 word. Take a
it's
guess.
very normal. It's football. The foot emoji, and then the another answer. It's the ball emoji. For that reason, it's football. It is. See?
Game on. It's football. Can you
So
name
the
this
next
word?
one in this, there are 3 emojis. So it's gonna be difficult. Car, it's the emoji of boy means male. Caramel, caramel.
Golden glow, sweet to go. It's caramel.
So I don't know what is caramel exactly, but by the emoji I
What do
guessed it.
these emojis mean?
So here it is a man or a boy and a traffic post where it is green light. Um,
Well done.
what?
Mango.
Mango. Oh, the man face and the green leg supposed to be go mango. Oh, it's very normal. It's very the water and the melon. So they're just watermelon.
Bravo. Watermelon. Summer's sweetest slice. What word do these 2 emojis
Okay, the
represent?
24 number is milk and a jar of milk and 2 people shaking their hand. 2 people. Okay, it's very normal. Not very normal. It's handshake.
Milkshake.
It is milkshake. Okay, it was guessable.
Give it a
Milkshake.
shot.
It is ice, and on the other hand, it is the man. So Iceman. Okay, I guess it is snowman. Snowman.
Frosty and fun.
It's
It's
snowman.
snowman. Keep on going. Can
This
you
one
guess
is
this
a
word?
weather with a raining and a bow. Weather with a rain and bow. Is it rainbow?
It's
Wow, this
rainbow.
was a very interesting one. It's rain and bow, rainbow. And
What
then
do we have here?
this is S emoji, S letter, and with the S letter is lot of colors. S color, S colors, S.
Olé! It's Spain.
Okay, means it is S, and then the other hand it's paint. So Spain,
Which word best matches
dragon.
these emojis?
It's okay. It's very normal. It's dragon fruit. There are a basket of fruit and it's a dragon, so it means the dragon fruit. Dragon fruit also a normal fruit, which is a little bit
The
costly.
fiery dragon fruit.
Yes, it's dragon fruit, as I guessed. Okay, now it is a baby. I think that this emoji should be a doll and it's pin. I think it's dolphin. Dolphin.
It's
Okay, I guessed
dolphin.
it's dolphin. It was nice. It was nice. Dolphin. Dolphin.
If you're having fun, don't forget to
I
smash
think
that
that
like
the
button.
last one is very easy, and I'm giving all of you challenge. Guess the last one in the comment section because I have already guessed it. So guys, as you also see that I have guessed almost every words, but just now it's your turn, and just comment on the comment section how many words did you guessed. It was really enjoyable and a really great video. So bye bye to a great friend. Nothing is later. I hope all of you enjoyed. Just subscribe this channel for this type of more interesting games, puzzles and fun. Bye bye.